Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Gossip. Guys, thanks for your support. Thanks for your subscribing. Thanks for everything. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Guys, let's talk about Umamaga Chiponono Samamake. Usamke, it was her birthday not long, few days ago, I guess. Nearly birthday ya Hasamke. Usamke, there was only one photo that actually leaked, that was circulated. Yeah, Samke's birthday. Guys, we all know that Musa eats. Musa lives and eats social media. Musa poster every after 30 minutes. We poster almost everything. Musa we poster. And if there is anything that Musa does the most is to post ifamily yakhe. Musa post abantwana bakhe. Musa post abafazi bakhe. Everything. But guys, kuphi lapho? Oh, Mama Gasponono, we waited for ukuthi Musa should post i-birthday celebration yakhe Dololo. Musa didn't post. People waited for a day, at least 24 hours, nothing. Hey, guys, tell me, what kind of a Sitembu is this one? Yazi Musa, the way he behaves, it's like, according to me, the way mina ngibona ngakhona, it's like he just married this girl so that she can make babies for him. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. Because it looks like Musa angekho proud about this union. Or usaba reaction yabafazi bakhe ukuthi bazothini when he posts usamke. I'm thinking like that as well, because remember, labafazi laba abamfuni usamke, abamfuni. According to them, usamke doesn't exist. So I think all the time, maybe when Musa is sleeping by one's house, kuyakhulunywa ukuthi yeah, lo mfazi wakho, hey, whatever. So he becomes so guilty ukuthi amposte, because akamposti totally. Akamposti. So what I want to know is, how is this girl feeling? How is she feeling? Yena akaposti. Though she's a legal wife, yaka Musa. Akamposti totally. It's gonna be a relationship enjani going forward. Uzokhathala lo mntwana, because don't forget that usamke umncane. Samke still has that thing ukuthi ngifuna ukupostwa, ngifuna kuya out, ngifuna this, ngifuna that. And she's not getting that from Umusa. You understand? Of which is very unfair futhi. It's unfair, but again, we don't have to blame anything. Even usamke siyamu-blame. Be-ayaphi? Be-ayakwi? Where was she going? Because uyabona nje ukuthi leSitembu was not functional. Kuyaliwa, just mix up nje, uyangena. But look now, the relationship is still new, but there is no that excitement and all that. Don't you think within years lo mntwana uzokhathala athi nami ngifuna somebody ozoba proud ngami, nami ngifuna i-boyfriend yami ingiposte, sipostane and all that. And Musa is not there. So somebody commented what yes, oh guys, listen, there was a photo that leaked. I don't know, it was leaked or it was posted, where Maqele it was 4 people on the table. Maqele, Umama Gasponono, and 2 other women. They were sitting on the table. Looks like they were celebrating birthday dinner. Manje somebody posted something ati manje uMaqele is really uyenza umsebenzi wakamam Flo. You understand? Wakamam Flo. Yes, as Batu Musa wa answer Risha ati, yes, you are jealous because you know very well that you couldn't even do like a fraction of what Maqele is doing. Yeah. So people were saying to Musa underneath, but there is nobody who would like to be on Maqele's shoes. That is nonsense. You have to take care of your wife. You don't have to leave Umacele to be doing damage control for you. So guys, it's just a complication. This relationship, guys, let's meet on the other video. Bye.